I tell you what, can I do this thing this morning? No, I cannot. It's not working. This is like about the 6th time I've tried to record this video. I've just got to get into it. Oh, before I start, let me just tell you, because I think there's a little bit of confusion about these little, you know, the mini nail art tutorials that I'm doing using one nail design. They're not my new content. Well, they kind of are new content, but they're not my new format. I am, itchy nose, I'm still going to be doing my normal 4 videos a week like this, you know, long ones where we can talk to each other, even though you can't really reply. And then I'm just doing like those little mini tutorials on the days that I don't normally upload video, just to give you something else. So it's like just a mini tutorial of me doing a single nail design, because I bought this bad boy. It's not really a bad boy, it's a thumb. From Alina. I don't know if it's Alina hand or Aliana hand, I don't know, but let me show you. It's where I got my half hand from, and I purchased the thumb. So it kind of should go like that, shouldn't it? Oh, it looks like a whole hand. Does it look like a whole hand? No, that would. But anyway, yeah, I bought this to do little mini tutorials. So I'm not getting rid of my longer videos. I'm just adding something else to my channel. So I just don't talk in them, but they're only like a minute. They're only about a minute to a minute and a half long. They're super short, just to give you a little bit of inspiration. Anyway, right, because I'm waffling on, let's get into the nails. To the sewers. Okay. Right, I've got it on my phone. Okay, so I'm using Madam Glam again. I've got Eggnog Latte, love that one. Agate, oh my god, this one I've got to show you. And Nice Instrument. Ooh, wink, wink, that sounds really rude, doesn't it? Right, Eggnog Latte is lovely. I'm only going to do 4 nails, but if I were to do 5, I would do another nail of Eggnog Latte just on its own. So say like the thumb. I'm not doing the thumb, pretend these aren't the thumb, they're these ones. But if I was going to do a 5th one in the video, it would be a plain nail of Eggnog Latte, just so that you know, and I'd do that on the thumb. So 2 nails of Eggnog Latte. If you're doing your thumb, you need to do your thumb. I've just been lazy in this video. 1 nail of Nice Instrument, and then 2 nails of Agate. This gel polish was released a little while ago and I forgot to do anything with it. I bloomin' love it. It's so nice. Look, if you can see, it's slightly sheer, so it will need 2 coats. But if you, like for instance, you could do a layer of Nice Instrument and then a layer of Agate on the top. This is terrazzo, I don't know how you say it. This is very similar, only it's got it's more grey. This one's got more of a, I don't even know, like a muted pink. I don't even know, muted purple. Oh, I needed to burp. Oh, sorry. Okay, so once you've done your first coat, Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. So go and cure them, and then you're going to need to go over with your second coat. They are having a 2-day shopping event on Thursday and Friday. So 12 AM the 20th of January to 11:59 PM the 21st of January Eastern time. You can get 50% off using code NATMUG50JAN. I'll leave the link and the discount code in the description box below. They've also challenged me to do a video with gel polish that isn't nail related. So I've got something up my sleeve, but I haven't actually recorded it yet. Yeah, look at this gel polish. Look at that. So for the agate, yeah, the agate nails, I'm using the no wipe top coat because they need to be shiny. They look amazing matte, but for this set, I wanted to do them shiny. They just remind me of like shiny granite, like kitchen worktops. Look at them, and I love that you've got in them, they've got a little hint of gold in there as well. So we're going to pick up on that later. So the other 2 nails, or 3 if you include the thumb, we are going to just matte top coat those. If you don't like matte top coat, do them shiny. It doesn't matter. I personally you know, I usually veer towards matte if anything. But if you don't like matte, you don't have to do it. Just do it glossy. It's absolutely fine. If your client prefers glossy, that just do what they want or what you want if you're wearing them. And then put them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I absolutely love Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. It is my favourite top coat. Right, I've just put on my palette some of that nice instrument gel polish, and I've got a big dotting tool. And what I'm doing is I'm marking out my petals. When I do flowers, I like to do either 5 or 6 petals, but I think 5's quite a good. Some people don't like odd numbers. If you don't like odd numbers, do 6. I don't know, it's weird. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring some of the gel polish using my detailer brush. Still no news on when these are going to be back in stock. Someone commented on one of my videos. I don't know, I'm sorry, I still have nothing to tell you, unfortunately. But I'm just bringing the petal to a point using the detailer brush. And literally, I don't want it all the way into the middle. Just look ever so slightly, look, so that they're all nice and even. And then I'm going to sprinkle these with acrylic because I love the embossed look that you get when you do this. So the gel polish is going to suck up the acrylic powder. If it starts to go shiny, stop for a minute, have a look. If it starts to go shiny, you need to sprinkle some more acrylic powder on it. Don't cure it until it's completely matte. If you stick it in the lamp and there's some shiny bits, what's going to happen is you're going to put it in the lamp, it's going to cure, but you're going to have some tacky. It's going to be tacky. You want to make sure that the gel polish completely sucks up that acrylic and it's matte. And then I like to give it a double cure just because it's gel polish mixed with acrylic. I don't know, just to be on the safe side. And then I'm going to brush off the excess acrylic and you're left with this really cute embossed floral nail. It's lovely, I love it. And I've just gone ahead and added 2 more. You can put as many as you want or as many as you can fit on the nail, it doesn't matter. I went with 3, I thought it was kind of, I don't know, just a nice, yeah. And then, right, so where we've got the gold in the agate nails, I kind of wanted to, what's the word? I wanted to put gold on, yeah, I wanted to tie the gold in on another nail. I don't think I'm wording this really badly, my English is terrible. I was born in England, I promise, and I can speak English, I'm not very good at it. So using a finer dotting tool, I'm just placing ever such a tiny dollop of Madam Glam's gel paint. This is the gold gel paint. Now, their gel paints you can work on top of a finished nail because when they cure, they're going to cure with no tacky layer. So you can top coat them or you can put them on top of a top coat. Now, it doesn't matter. And then I just thought to finish off the set, I would just add a very easy crystal cuff using, these are Preciosa Starlight Gold crystals from Crystal Parade. You can get 5% off any Crystal Parade crystals or anything they sell using code NAT5. I'm using my Crystal Totalist Gem Glue. And I'm literally, there was a hair in it or something, I had to get that out. So I'm literally, a crystal cuff is just crystals placed around the cuticle area or the I don't know what you want to call it. Yeah, it is, I mean, it's the cuticle area, but it's like a cuff kind of thing. And when I do this, I like to have a bigger stone in the middle. And then as I work round, the crystals will taper off, they'll just become smaller. And if you want to, you can add the caviar beads between the crystals. I thought I'd just keep this really simple and easy. Again, this is quite salon viable without, I didn't mean it to be, but it is a nice salon viable set. So continuing from last week's theme, but I didn't mean to do that. And that's them finished. Just imagine your other 5th thumbnail there. And that's it. I hope you like them. I actually really do. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. It's completely free. And you can always change your mind later, though I'd rather you stayed. Because I love you. Yeah, I think that's it. And I'll see you. I might do a video tomorrow, actually, for tomorrow. Because the Madam Glam challenge and all that. But it might be Thursday. Anyway, love you lots. And I'll see you very soon.